G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mix-Up. Thank you for joining us. Today we are making the blood orange margarita. Let's get started. All right, so you're gonna need some tequila, agave syrup, some blood orange, some limes. We're gonna serve it in a rocks glass today. And that's pretty much about it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to grab your shaker and we are going to load it up with some ice and pour 60 mils of your favorite tequila into the shaker. A little bit more. Gonna do about 15 mils of agave syrup. So I'm actually just gonna wing it, but you can measure if you want. I think that's about it. Good, and now we're gonna juice about, where's my knife gone? About 60 mils of blood orange. Now excuse the hands because this bad boy doesn't fit in my juicer. So, should be about 60 mils is, depending on the size, about 3/4 of the blood orange. Directly into your shaker. And or you can like juice this it directly into your jigger if you wanted to. There we go. All right, now we will use our juicer for the lime. So just 15 mils of fresh lime, about half a lime. Beautiful. And now we are going to shake away. Hands are a bit slippery. You might have to speed this part up. Voila, we got there. All right. Now before we load up the rocks glass, we're going to just do a salted rim. Entirely up to yourself whether you want to go salted or non-salted. Load it up with some ice. Beautiful. Grab a piece of blood orange and we're just going to stick it down the side of the margie. Beautiful. And strain away. And there you have it, the blood orange margarita. Enjoy.